welcome to all of you. Okay, so what are our objectives for this course overall? For all 6 sessions, we want to learn the key elements of a successful proposal. And this is really on the department side. How are we going to support the faculty member so that when we do hand off a proposal to Research Management Group, RMG, it's in the best possible shape and it's just pretty much ready to go out the door. We want to gain practical experience with things like building proposal document checklists, how to format them, how to look up the formatting requirements, how to create budgets. We're going to take a look at some of the sponsor electronic submission portals because, of course, you can't just have one. Each sponsor has their own portal and it has its own unique personality. So we will take a look at a few of those. We'll use case studies to navigate common challenges. We will have breakout sessions and homework assignments, so you have a chance to do things in a group and also do things independently. We'll identify resources both online and within the Research Administration's course training materials and FAQs, places where you can go to get questions answered. And by the way, everyone should have access to the RACS training materials. I will be popping into and out of that. You should have received an invitation last week if this is your first class. If it's not, then you probably already have it. You can always email me if you have trouble accessing it. And then finally, the big one is how can we become a resourceful and trusted partner for our faculties and for RMG? That's really what we are that is our ultimate objective in supporting proposal submissions. So as you probably saw in the outline, the course progression, these are the 6 sessions that we're going to be going through today. We're going to be talking about proposal management. On Wednesday, proposal requirements. Next week, we're going to talk about budgeting and systems and external partners. And then in the final week, we'll talk about finalizing the proposal and actually submitting it, and then our post-submission tasks. And then how is each session going to go? We'll start with me doing the content overview for maybe 20, 25 minutes. Then we'll have that Q&A with the RAC and the guest speakers when we have those. That'll be another 20 minutes or so. We'll do breakout room case study discussions. Again, typically 20 minutes, although today, because we have this section at the beginning, we'll probably keep the breakouts a little shorter. We'll probably aim for 10 minutes. And then we'll come back together as a group just to kind of debrief and maybe talk about 1 or 2 things that came out of your breakout session that you think would be helpful to everyone. And then after we've had a chance to do a few of the homework assignments, we'll also take a few minutes to discuss the homework, kind of what was in it, if anybody had questions or if there were common challenges that we saw across people who are turning in the homework.